and I'm going to add it in the middle of my pastry, and I'm going to quickly put it together. And you see now it starts to be more like a dough. Now, very important, you're using strong white flour, so you don't want to start kneading your pastry. If not, it's going to be a bit too tough. So it's about bringing it together, and that's it. Then it's a good rest in the fridge. So using your scraper rather than your hand is going to first prevent the warmth of your hand to interfere with heavily buttered dough, melting maybe the butter, but also it's not really kneading, it's more like cutting your flour into your eggs. There we go. Now that's it. I'm going to stop at that. I have a little bit of extra flour like I have on the side to maybe have a little throw of flour and nothing too drastic, because you want to stay true to your recipe. If you put a lot of flour, you're interfering with it. And you see how easy it comes together now. All I want to make sure there is no dried ingredient. Yeah, it seems quite good. I'm going to stop at that. Again, don't overdo it. Very important.